In this video, I want to talk about how you could automate the addition or the merging of soundtracks into intro videos. Now, in a previous video I talked about how intro videos could automatically be generated, they could be animated, and they can have different text for each intro video. Now, as I was looking through a tutorial video, which I'm about to play the background sound for, I realized that I've heard this particular sound in a lot of Udemy courses. It's a very pleasing sound, it creates engagement, and it's just a nice background sound to have with an intro. So I'm about to play it, and the idea is, could we merge it automatically into the generated intro videos? So let's hear what it sounds like.
Guys, welcome back.
So you heard it there. It was just a simple, I guess it was a piano or an organ with a little bit of a drum beat, soft drum beat going on behind. So here is the idea. It would create a simple natural language application with the idea that it's to work with videos and to deal with soundtracks. And you would set up some settings. What soundtrack would you like to play? And this rarely would change. You would change it maybe for different video channels, but probably not for the video series that you're doing. You may need some concepts like a fade in or a fade out that goes for 0.3 of a second. There may be other sorts of controls that you would like to place around the sound. And then essentially it's take some sort of input video, which is the video generated in the previous system I talked about, and just alter it a little bit so that it has the merged soundtrack. And all of that will be done with merge soundtrack. What sound file do you want? The MP3. What input file do you want? And where would you like it to go out to? Something like that. So that's the idea, is a merge soundtrack automation that can be used in conjunction in the workflow of the generate intro video workflow.